Hello, YouTube. It's BTM here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And this is about Turbo. Turbo. It's Turbo turn up time. But this is from the Turbo Toad token page. Announcements pushed back. 17th, our Turbo utility announcement, initially set for Wednesday, which is tomorrow, has been postponed to next week. We're ironing out some technical details to ensure everything is perfect. The partnership agreement is signed and all is well. And this is the Toad. Sorry for letting the community down. It isn't my style. But no big thing, right? If you guys need some more time, we're here for you. The Turbo community is strong. The Turbo Toad Warriors and the Turbo Revolution will not be televised. But we are here. I guess we'll wait for another week. It's not a big deal. But just wanted to get that announcement out. And back to Twitter. Don't forget to sign up for the BTM Twitter page. It's Black Tiger Miner Twitter for announcements. So I was looking in the Discord and I didn't see any information about the announcement. I just saw that Twitter post, but I was trying to see if there's any other thing. But I guess we'll wait until next week. Turbo is unique, a fully doxed developer token by the people for the people, 100% community driven, 69 billion max supply, 63 circulating, 92.2% is already circulating, fully decentralized, first meme coin generated by AI. This is Bybit is buying Turbo. Uh, Next is KuCoin and Binance Spot. Etherscan token, and I think I have that Etherscan already open. Let me see if we can find that guy. I think this is this one. Scan looks like there's 32,441, up 3.3%. And this is the token balance for, I guess this is, doesn't actually say, actually, but it looks like there was a large purchase Monday. So somebody bought a mess load of turbo tokens, turbo toad tokens. So let's go back to Twitter. Uh, this is Caspa. This is Turbo Revolution. Toad's work is far from done. Thanks for the community relentless activism. Doors are opening with each step. Let's work harder until Turbo is number one. Looks like something is brewing out there. So you guys must be in Texas because there's another storm coming in. This is the most storms I've seen since I've been in Texas. I've never seen it rain this much over the summer. Turbo USD spot is now live. Turbo Toad token now available on bittrue.com. And this is new listing. Turbo's coming to BitTrue spot in the meme sector. Turbo Toad token deposits opening. Turbo US trading TNUTC June 11th, which is today. Let's see. Once deposit amount is sufficient for liquidity, enjoy zero trading fees within 7 days. Is a meme coin made by AI for the people. True BitTrue will list Turbo. New Turbo listing June 11th. This is today at 10 a.m. We'll list an opening trades for spot pairing. Deposits opening. New user can earn grand prize 1,000 USD in completing tasks. For details, limited time offer. Trade the Turbo spot pair. Waive trading fees for 7 days. The Turbo on the Etherscan, it says 32,403, up 0.170% up to 32,000. OKX is up to 15.6% of total supply. Uphold 2 is 15.2. So Uphold must have bought a lot because it's up to 15.2. I want to say it was 14 or 13. This is, I guess, Rex address, Rick Mankind, 11%. UNCX is 6.5. Gate.io is 4.6. BitGet is 3.4. Mexi's 3.4. And then there are 3 personal addresses, 4 actually. At 1%, 0.8, 0.79, 0.72. Hobby is 0.6. Another personal address is 0.6. Mexi is 0.6. Uniswap is 0.5. Crypto.com is 0.5. So Crypto.com has been pushing up slowly but surely. And this is CoinX Gold is 0.5%. And that are all the major exchanges in the top 25. So let's look at the crypto bubble real quick. Cat with a Hat's down 14.8. Uniswap is down 12.7. Alethea is down 7.7. Fetchy is down 6.2. Book of Memes is down 5.8. My Lady's down 7.1. Osmos is down 5.1. Litecoin's down 3.3. Brett is down 3.2. Gala is down 6.4. Myra's down 3.2. Arcam is down 4.7. AI Tech's down 1.8. Nero AI is down 8.2. Jasmine's down 8.2. ZX is down 7.8. Dog with a Hat's down 5.2. Cox is down 10.4. AVT is down 13.9. Turbo is down 8.1. So it looks like they're down to rank 189. Market cap's 341.7 million. For the day, it's down 8.1. For the week, it's down 19.6. For the year, it's still up 5,027. And for the month, it's up 397. Pepe's up 4.8, which is one of the few green spots on the chart. Ondo's down 3.8. Solana's down 6.7. Flake's down 7.3. SHIB's down 4.7. ADA is down 3.8. Ocean's down 4.3. Ape's down 1.0. Flux is down 4%. Archblock is down 6.1. Deutsche is down 3.7. Helium's down 3.7. And moving forward to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap has Turbo at 0.0053, down 8.28%. Market cap is 342.4 million, down 8.17. 24-hour trading volume down 31.25 to 66 million. And I'm not sure if it's the FOMC meeting that's driving all the crypto down, or if it's delay for the utility announcement. Low is 0.0051. High is 0.059 in the past 24 hours. All-time high is 0.0097. We're down 45.9% from the all-time high, which was May 28, 14 days ago. So I was expecting a rally to start today for the announcement tomorrow. Since the announcement's postponed, it's coming down for us to pick it up. The trader view for the last 4-hour chart looks like we are back down to that resistance at 0.056, and it might get down to 0.046. So it's coming down for us to pick it up. RSI was up and then came back down. We had a MACD cross and we lost some volume. So let me know what you think Turbo's next move is, if it's going to continue to push down or if it's going to come up. This is the Turbo wormhole on the Solana network. And I was looking for a user count, but there doesn't appear to be one here. So this is Live Coin Watch. Turbo 0.05363. Market cap 343.1 million. 24-hour volume is 72.6 million. All-time high 0.009813. Last hour turbo is down 0.41%. For the day, it is down 8.58. Last 7 days, it's down 16.76. Last 30 days, it's up 384.4. Last 90 days, it's up 382.5. And for the year, it's up 5,065. Let's go. Turbo turn up. Remember, shout out to the Turbo Toad Army and the Turbo Toad Revolution. The revolution will not be televised. So for the low, it's 0.0515. For the high, it's 0.0059. And I do this.
1.37% less of Turbo has been sold in the last 24 hours. Turbo has had a tough time picking up speed over the last week, going down 5.4%. This week, Turbo is showing signs of going down. If you want to buy Turbo, now might be a good time to do so. The price of Turbo has gone up by 389.37% in the last 30 days, adding $0.004815 to its previous value of $0.001236, and raising the market capitalization to $385,264,600. Today is not the right time to buy Turbo. You should wait until there is another bear market. In the last 90 days, the price of Turbo has gone up by 437.67%, or $0.004926 more than it was worth before. Turbo is worth $0.006051 right now, and it's ranked #237th among all cryptocurrencies. There are 63,674,701,174 Turbo in circulation right now, and the market value of all of them is $385,264,600. In 2024, Turbo is likely to be worth the most, which is $0.010892. When would be a good time to buy Turbo? In the past week, Turbo has been showing signs of going down. We expect a small recovery within the next week as buyers see this drop as a chance to buy Turbo. Is Turbo, a good business to invest in? Based on the way Turbo is moving, our technical research shows that this cryptocurrency is a good buy right now. Turbo is now worth $0.006051, which is $0.004926 more than it was 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, Turbo is expected to grow a lot. With a score of 58 out of 100, Turbo is currently showing no signs of moving. For the end of 2024, $0.010892 is the price that bulls think Turbo will reach. There is 7.37% less Turbo on the market now than there was 24 hours ago. After going through a bear market, Turbo has seen a lot of growth over the past year. Now that Turbo has grown so quickly, it should hit a high point of $0.022994 in a few years. The price of Turbo has dropped 5.4% in the last week, which is a sign that the market is going down.
So from what we see here, if I'm understanding that, it's kind of weird, but they mentioned that Turbo would be a good buy now because the price is down, and I do agree. Always buy on red days. Let's see what Zach has to say.
But I got 3 really cool announcements for you guys regarding Turbo. And I guess I'll start by saying Turbo's at a $350 million market cap. We're having more cool-offs, but with the pump, the cool-off doesn't feel that bad because, we're already used to these levels. It just pumped and then cooled off to around the same level that it was at. We're not actually going down yet. We're just kind of like treading water, and that's kind of like normal in my opinion for what Turbo is. It historically pumps big and then kind of just hangs out sideways for 2 to 3 months, or at least it did that the whole time that I've held Turbo since September of last year. Historically, it would have a huge pump and then a 2 to 3 month kind of sideways trading action, and that's just kind of the way of the toad. Obviously, after the crazy price action that we've had and all the listings and all these exchanges buying the coin, there's a good chance that we are going to be not seeing that anymore. But I can't guarantee that. I can't guarantee anything. I'm just a guy in his truck. Literally have no degree of any kind or knowledge of technical analysis. I just look at projects. I see if I see something healthy, I'll buy it and have a strong conviction in it. If I don't see something healthy, then I won't buy it. So Turbo is healthy to me. Even though it's a meme coin, I think Turbo is very healthy. So I'm going to try to get this right. I'm driving and I don't have notes. I'm just going based off of my memory. So I'm going to try to not jumble this all up. But guys, we've had some crazy stuff happening last night that doesn't really seem like it's affecting the price right now, which is unusual to me. So I guess first and foremost, we'll talk about Bybit. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but on Etherscan, Bybit purchased 230 million tokens last night. They are now, I want to say, like a top 25 holder, and I'm looking for that spot listing. I'm sure, I don't know if they listed us yet, but Bybit has stacked up our coins. They have, I believe, in total 250 million coins. And so I think we should be looking for a spot listing, if not already, but we should be looking for a spot listing on Bybit. The next coin that I saw that was announced, that was listed on, or that listed Turbo, is CoinSpot Australia, which that is the origin of Turbo token. That is really cool. So we have an Australian native crypto exchange listing Turbo. I think that's exciting because it has home field advantage in Australia. I'm sure Rhett Mankind probably has Rhett Mankind's the founder, if you didn't know that. I'm sure Rhett Mankind's Twitter and social media following is probably a little bit more skewed toward the Australian folk. So to have an exchange for Australia list Turbo, I think is like sleeper big news. That is amazing. So I covered Bybit, I covered CoinSpot, and I'm blanking on the third one. Oh man, we just had another list. Oh, I got it. Hey, cool. Praise God for the memory. Bitrue. Bitrue just announced a spot listing for Turbo, and that is, in my opinion, similar to like an MEXC exchange. It's not a tier one, but it's definitely something not to shy away from or be bashful about. That is an amazing listing. So in literally the last 24 hours, we have had 2 exchange listings, not bad ones, and then we have Bybit just loading up on Turbo, and the price meanwhile is not reflecting that. I'm curious to know why, but we'll see why. I don't know if it means retail investors are selling in equality to exchanges buying up the dip, but regardless, I'm siding with the exchanges, guys. The exchanges have a long-term mindset. Meanwhile, we have a very short-term mindset. I'm just going to say I do too. I mean, I get scared when I see the price go down. I'm not going to lie. I think everyone does. I divulge my holdings to certain friends. One of them who does not buy crypto or understands crypto. He's more into real estate, and he, constantly tells me to sell. And I'll tell you one thing. If I would have shared that with him 6 months ago, that I 14x'd a certain amount of money, and he saw that holding, before I rolled that money into Turbo, he would have told me to sell. So I have to appreciate his advice and his conservative mindset, but at the same time, he doesn't understand that crypto has 4-year cycles. We have approximately 6 to 8 months, in my opinion, of course, remaining in the bull market for crypto. Some people are going to say that there's going to never be another end to the bull market, but I truly don't believe that, especially for the altcoins like the stuff that I'm holding. Maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, but I don't know. I'm saying like Turbo. There's going to be a bear market for Turbo. It always happens. It's a meme coin, you know. Um, maybe not. Maybe not after the announcement that's coming. But anyway, yeah, we've had those 3 exchange listings, or sorry, 2 exchange listings, and a huge buy up from Bybit. And I'm expecting in the next week or two an overall positive price reaction.
And yes, I can't agree with him. There should be some kind of price movement. I think he did this video before the announcement was made about the announcement. The announcement about the announcement. Follow. You get that? About the announcement being delayed. So we'll have to go back and check and kind of see what happens to the price tomorrow. If it goes down, I'm buying more. If it goes up, I'm going to wait for that dip. But remember to buy the dip. Keep an eye on Turbo and let me know your thoughts on this Turbo update and this Turbo move. Thanks for the support. Thanks for clicking, watching, and like, sharing, subscribing this Turbo Toad token video and this Turbo Toad turn up. And let's see if we can find any information about what happened with the announcement. And if not, might go live tonight. I don't know. It depends on when the video comes out and the response. But thanks for your support and continue to hold. This is Turbo Turn Up, and shout out to the Turbo Toad Army and the Turbo Toad Revolution. The revolution will not be televised. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. And remember,